Welcome to the 2026 Guide to Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network for Logistics, Manufacturing, and Supply Chain Networks. This guide outlines strategies to reduce downtime, enhance operational technology/information technology segmentation, improve compliance, and lower wide area network costs across distributed operations. Legacy wide area network infrastructure poses significant risks for logistics and manufacturing networks. Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network offers a modernization path, enhancing resilience, security, and compliance. Network reliability is crucial for supply chain continuity. BTI Communications Group supports this transition with managed services and 24/7 monitoring, aiming for 99.99% uptime and significant wide area network cost reductions. Legacy networks in logistics and manufacturing struggle with modern demands. MPLS circuits can't support real-time warehouse management systems, enterprise resource planning, and Internet of Things data, leading to downtime and security risks. BTI Communications Group addresses these issues with Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network, enhancing network resilience and compliance. Legacy systems face high costs, single points of failure, and visibility gaps. Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network transforms logistics and manufacturing networks with application-aware routing, automatic failover, and integrated security. It supports operational technology/information technology segmentation and centralized cloud management, ensuring operational simplicity and resilience. BTI Communications Group offers fixed-price design and deployment, enhancing network modernization across California, Arizona, Illinois, and nationally. In logistics and manufacturing, network security is crucial for operational continuity and compliance. Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network offers network segmentation, integrated threat protection, and compliance-aligned architecture. BTI Communications Group ensures customs trade partnership against terrorism, National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework, and International Electrotechnical Commission 62443 compliance, providing managed services and 24/7 monitoring to maintain security baselines. Deploying Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network significantly reduces monthly wide area network circuit costs. WAN circuit failover time drops significantly as well. Network visibility improves with centralized dashboards, and operational technology/information technology segmentation becomes automated. Compliance documentation is audit-ready, reducing information technology management overhead. A 10-site model shows 60 to 70% cost savings over 3 years. BTI Communications Group's Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network deployments transform operations. For a Midwest automotive manufacturer, failover time dropped from 4 to 6 hours to under 60 seconds, reducing downtime costs. A logistics company improved warehouse management system uptime to 99.9% plus. A food distributor cut network downtime by 85%, enhancing compliance and Internet of Things reliability. These case studies highlight significant operational improvements. BTI Communications Group excels in delivering Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network solutions for logistics and manufacturing. As a Cisco Meraki authorized partner, BTI offers fixed-price engagements, operational technology/information technology convergence expertise, and compliance documentation support. With multi-site national capability, BTI provides managed services and 24/7 monitoring, ensuring operational continuity and audit readiness across California, Arizona, Illinois, and beyond. BTI Communications Group's 6-phase deployment methodology ensures precise Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network implementation. It includes network discovery, tailored architecture, pre-configuration, zero-touch deployment, validation, and ongoing management. This approach minimizes risks, ensures compliance, and supports operational continuity across logistics and manufacturing environments in California, Arizona, and Illinois. Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network offers unparalleled real-time network visibility and proactive management, crucial for logistics and supply chain operations. BTI Communications Group enhances this with 24/7 monitoring, proactive alerting, and centralized firmware updates. This ensures compliance and reduces downtime, allowing your team to focus on core operations rather than infrastructure management. Explore BTI Communications Group's no-cost multi-site network and compliance readiness assessment. Choose from 3 options: Compliance Readiness Review, Fixed Price Meraki MX, Software-Defined Wide Area Network Modernization Workshop, or Full Operational Transformation Proposal. Each begins with a discovery conversation to assess your environment and provide a tailored modernization roadmap. Contact BTI at 80804-357-284 or visit btigroup.com/contact. Cisco Meraki MX Software-Defined Wide Area Network enhances connectivity and visibility for logistics and manufacturing. It supports operational technology/information technology segmentation with virtual local area networks and access controls, aiding compliance with Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework, and International Electrotechnical Commission 62443. BTI offers managed services, monitoring, and optimization post-deployment. Meraki Software-Defined Wide Area Network can replace multi-protocol label switching, depending on site needs and compliance. Performance and cost claims in this document are based on industry research and BTI's deployment experience. Compliance references are for readiness only, not guarantees. Case studies are composite examples, not specific client references. Proposals and pricing depend on discovery and scope. BTI is a Cisco Meraki authorized partner serving multi-site organizations.